How to delete messages from iCloud on iPhone and free up iCloud storage. Here's how to delete them and free up some space on your iPhone. First, open Settings on your iPhone and tap your Apple account at the top. Next, tap on iCloud, then select Storage or Manage Account Storage, depending on your iOS version. Scroll down and tap Messages. Here, you'll see how much iCloud storage your messages are using. If you want to remove them from iCloud, tap Disable and Delete and follow the on-screen instructions. Then confirm by tapping Delete Messages. Keep in mind, if Messages in iCloud is enabled, deleting your messages can also remove them from other Apple devices using the same Apple account. Apple may also provide a recovery period before the messages are permanently deleted, so check the warning shown on your iPhone before confirming. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete messages from iCloud and free up iCloud storage. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more iPhone and iCloud tips.